Session naik obadai AICC observer joka parti Kongres lawan yuk jat nangkong Hiar South West Hasil District na kabenta banyo ya kendu ikinong trei jongka parti man pentemai kinong kitkam jongka parti hapo jongka jela Meghalaya kumjuru haman laki district bat hadin kani kinsara hapo Delhi hakaba ya kani kijingyat lenti jongu ula dep ban lek ya kendu hadu South Pa teli ke district na kinriu teli ke jela hapo kari India kabakan tup ya ke jela Meghalaya usasin naik haba ajengkren hakilat patai kubur lawan kenang Hiar South West Hasil District bat unsa kumbah news ni AA ban ya kendu ikenong kitkam bat kinong kersan jong kat seng Kongres na kabenta ban yo ya mir jingmut bat kinong elam jongki blok na kabenta karanikor bat kamau kurwat blok ban pynkhlaiñ ka parti kata haswa bantung yo president ni unong elam jong South West Hasil District
long nak kabenta ke juli gelong ba i sachinaya beri AICC observer nak kabenta banjit mai ya ki presiden jong ki district bar hanya po Meghalaya kimenta kadon ke exercise nak kabenta halo kami kadai ha kabari bat ka UP ka Bihar ka Goa ka Manipur ka Meghalaya ban Nagaland so kini kadon brutally ki state ngapo India ha kabal kami kadai ka second phase so bro ki ada kumba apoi apa atli so far have completed
14 states
14 state atau tadi ki state kalau penom ya ka election juki district president di menta pada kali kebeta hapo ni hapo ka jalan Meghalaya di kali keju ke exercise ke baki kita sedang nadu menin ke sini kali hapo hakini ki drill teli ki state hapo India di lembah kani ka Sanggatan Srijan Abhiyan nakalian jong ka parti Kongres minta ka ko aban revive ko aban revamp ya ka parti di kebumut minta kalong ba nakalian jong ka parti kala pak ya beroki observer rekat bat ki state observer nak beta bandon lang bat ban lek manaki keleng manaki banya kedu ya kini dalam joki blok kini dalam joki mahila kini dalam joki ki parent body ki NSUI beta ki sebedal bat ter nak beta shuwa batung ya presiden jom ka district nomor bakani kemur lomba kani kesamoi jom terekam jom nakalen district kemur lomba nakalen juga kemur tak dapat kod di kemur meta kinsa sim ya kani letak calit kinsa observe nak beta berisi district nak beta ya kini terai juga parti tang kini terai juga parti kini tahadin kata nakalen kejui sa Raksha Delhi nak beta bersobit ya ka observation kata reka observation pada nakalen jom ka AICC hi kantung yau presiden jom ka district ban yarap nak beta ka parti Kongres ha kabare bat ka jintmu nak beta ban revive ya ka parti Kongres te kali ka exercise ke ba nakalen kejuni meta idon iwan hani kalau ke benar ba kalau ke ba ila yat kumba South Pa teli ki district nak beta ya ki parti ya ki program ki paper nakalen kejuni ke ba ila simbenta nak beta ya ke ba kalai ka parti Kongres na po Delhi ila long tengru I Ilekshon Commission jong ka parti Kongres ha kabare ban kondok lani peniat ya ke election jong ka NSUI ya ke por Baladeb idei secretary Baladeb jong ka AICC bermeta udai senior vice president jong ka Maharashtra Pradesh Kongres Committee di nakalen ke jui kelomba yung setelah nak kita ban poi berpi saya kendu nak kebeta kini ki program nak kebeta insah ni hani hapo arteli ki district hapo west but south west kumbanyo sini nota kini ki sini saya kendu ya barok ikinu terai jong ka parti kinu terai berkinu san jong ka parti nak kebeta berpan jumur halorkan ni ke kampus den
di 7 days I'm not just coming for one day and addressing and going back so for next 7 days I am in this district I will go block wise. I will go to blocks. I will meet there who are our block committee office bearers, our frontal office bearers, other, just I have earlier told you. So we will meet all those people and we will take suggestions from them, and on their suggestion, through a very free and fair process, we are restructuring the Congress party, and that's why the Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, our Lok Sabha and our leader of opposition Shri Rahul Gandhi ji directed us to go stay there, take suggestions from the smallest worker also of the Congress, and on his suggestion we are going to create a new Congress. And earlier what happened, somebody told some leader influences the process, he recommends the name of any individual and he will appoint it as a district president. But now this will not going to happen. What the Congress worker suggests, that fellow is going to become a district head of the party, and we are making him more accountable. The system is now going to be created in a manner that the district president is the sole key person of that district to take the decisions of the Congress. Nobody sitting in Shillong or in Delhi will take the decisions of the district, but the district president and his committee who are staying here, they will take the decision for the betterment of the Congress, for the spreading of the idea, and idea of Congress means the idea of the Constitution. So that was the main purpose of this process. Previously I worked as an All India Congress Committee Secretary. Right now I am a Senior Vice President of the Maharashtra Pradesh Congress Committee, and I have held so many different positions at different times in the party. I am working since last near about 20 years in the party, and near about last 15 years I am working at national level for the party, and I have been a part of the various programs of the Congress party, and it's great opportunity given to the party that I have travelled near about more than 400 districts of India for the different types of programs of the Congress. I have been worked as an election commissioner in charge for Assam also. When first time Indian Youth Congress elections was conducted through a ballot, that time I was being an election commissioner in charge for Assam also in the northeast. So earlier also I have visited Meghalaya, but not as in any political capacity, but in individual capacity. As a tourist, I have came in 2015. I have came, and before that I have also came. So after 10 years, I am coming back again to Meghalaya. So I am staying for next 7 days with all of you. So please, those who wants to note down my number, please they can note down my number. So, making a DCC functional and effective. It's not just to make a formal Congress, but to make a committee functional and effective. So, we are here. If you want to note my number, you can note my number also. And my name is District President, PCC Observer, Block Presidents of both the block, all people from press and all my Congress friends. The All India Congress Committee started one nationwide program of Sangathan Sujan Abhiyan in entire India So far, we have completed 14 states in India, and now recently the Congress committee has announced this program for Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya and Goa. So I am come here as an AICC observer for this Sangathan Sujan Abhiyan. Through this Abhiyan, we are going to elect new DCC president. I will submit my proposal to AICC, and after my proposal, AICC will take a new decision, and in the entire state, the new DCC presidents are going to be appointed by this process. Not only this exercise for DCC president, but this exercise is for the entire restructuring of the Congress of that particular district. Block presidents, we are identifying new potential leaders of different sections of the society, might be youths, women, from different categories of society, some scholars, and for that we are taking views of all Congress workers as well as those who believes in the idea of Indian constitutional politics, those who are like-minded, those who are not in Congress but they are indirectly supporting our ideas, our thoughts. We will also have conversation through this Sangathan Sujan with all these people.